because I'm already big.
Okay.
After that, you hugas it. You put it here and hugas your baso like that.
Okay, and then?
After that, you get this. After that,
Okay.
Oh, huwag mo muna itaog dito lang muna, basa pa.
you put it
Oh, yung pang plato.
Next one.
After that,
Okay.
you just focus this one first.
And then?
After that, you put it here. You do like this first. Put all your things here first.
And then?
Also, after that, you get one. You do like this.
Okay.
After that, you get some more.
Patay mo muna yung gripo.
After that, you do like this.
Oh, patay mo
Okay.
muna yung gripo. Sayang yung tubig.
After that, you do like this.
Okay. And then?
After that, you put it here. You do like this. After that,
Oh, dirty pa.
After
Punas mo muna nung dirty pa, oh.
after that, you do like this first.
Clean mo mabuti.
After that, you put it here.
Ay!
After that, you put it here. Okay. After that, the next one, just do like this first. Wait. Just get like this first.
Okay.
So your plate's gonna be clean.
And then?
After that, you put it here next. Then you hugas your plates. After that,
Okay.
you do like this and put it here.
Okay. Okay, very good. Do
That-
this.
Basa ata siya.
No,